On May 14, 2024, the vibrant city of Bengaluru was shaken by this chilling discovery. A young woman full of dreams and aspirations was found lifeless in her hotel room. This is the story of Zarina Utkirovna, a 27-year-old from Uzbekistan whose life was cut short under a mysterious circumstance. Unfortunately, any details about her early life, या childhood, family is not very clear. Even in online and articles, there are just information surrounding this incident and उसके personal life के बारे में हमें कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं पता है. But I still accumulated as much as information that I could find. But I'm sure there are a lot of information that is still untouched. So if you guys have any insight or information, you can please comment down below and let us know. With that being said, let's get into the video. Zarina had arrived Bengaluru just a few weeks earlier to seek adventure and new experience. She was from Uzbekistan and just like any other tourist, उसको adventure चाहिए था अपने life में. She was married and she just came here to have some fun. Little did she know her journey would take a dark turn. On one fateful day, the hotel staff noticed that something was amiss. Zarina did not check out as she had planned. So basically, Zarina was supposed to check out that day, but she didn't as she had planned, and that raised some alarms सारे employees and जो hotel के staff था उनके बीच. And when they entered her room using a master key, they were met with a horrifying sight. Authorities quickly arrived to the scene suspecting foul play. And initial जो investigation चल रही थी, in that investigation they found signs of struggle. It appeared that Zarina had been smothered and the search for answers began. सबसे पहले detectives reviewed the CCTV cameras in the hotel with any hope कि maybe उस CCTV footages में उनको Zarina या what happened to her, who visited her, वो कब बाहर गई थी, कब अंदर आई, क्या कोई इससे मिलने आया था, basically all those details. Days later, the investigation took a turn when police officers arrested two employees from the hotel, Amrit Sonu and Robert, and they both were arrested in Kerala. Their motive? A robbery gone wrong. But was it just about the money or was there something more to the story? The forensic teams worked tirelessly to figure out and collect any evidence that they were getting, the fingerprints and any other evidence from the scene of crime. And each clue they found brought them closer to the truth. But the question remains the same. What really happened with Zarina in that hotel room? The arrested individuals, Robert and Amrit Sonu, both of whom worked in housekeeping in that same hotel, the police apprehended both the suspects after they fled to Kerala after their crime, and their capture was facilitated by a special team formed by the Bengaluru police. After the arrest and during the investigation, authorities recovered foreign currency, including 2 notes of 2,000 and 1 note of 5,000 Uzbekistan currency, which indicated the motive tying to financial gain. That already explains the primary motive was robbery as per both the accused. Both Amrit Sonu and Robert, the suspects, believed that she possessed significant wealth and targeted her for money and her mobile phone. Like, can you even imagine? The situation escalated when Zarina confronted the suspects for entering her room without her permission. Reports suggest that she had slapped one of the accused, which led to a violent struggle resulting in her death. And I think it's very clear that the nature of the crime was premeditated. When she had checked in, जब उनको दिखी कि she's a foreigner, she's not the local, Bengaluru से नहीं है, Uzbekistan से है, they might have thought कि okay, she must be rich, and they thought this would be the robbery initial जो उनका plan था, it would be an easy way to become rich faster. उसको रॉब करके. सो फ्रॉम द गेट गो दे वर वेरी क्लियर कि ये प्री मेडिटेटेड था. दोनों का इंटेंशन बहुत क्लियर था दैट दे वांटेड टू रॉब जरीना, विच इंडिकेटेड अ कैलकुलेटेड अप्रोच rather than a spontaneous act of violence. The suspects are currently in police custody, and the case is expected to proceed through the legal system, where further evidence would be presented to support the charges against them. The police is still investigating the matter to find out अगर कोई और motive था, या to find out any person that has not been found yet, to find more details and to ensure that all aspects of this crime are truly examined to serve justice for Zarina. There's a lot of videos on YouTube as well where her family, wo India आए थे obviously to be there for her and to fight this case for her. And काफ़ी सारी videos मैंने देखी where they believed कि robbery might not be the only reason why they did this, because she was not carrying a lot of money. There were 2 notes of 2,000 and 1 note of 5,000 Pakistan currency. So they do not believe that robbery ही final motive था, उनका primary motive था. But this is what I had found. This is where we are in this case as of now. अगर और कुछ details आता है, I will definitely pin down. If there's any other new update or any other motive, I will definitely pin it down in the comments so you can review that. But as of now, this was their primary motive. This was a case of Zarina Utkirovna. Please don't forget to be kind, take care of yourself, and always follow the light. I'll see you in the next video.